bazala bakaMzitho, welcome to Umgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Bazala bakaMzitho, umgosi wethu wanamhlanje it's about yesterday episode of Uthando Nesithembu. Guys, let's just talk about Umayeni. Guys, Umayeni seems like uphumile kuMusa Mseleku. Uphumile kuMusa Mseleku. We know that uMusa Mseleku is not feeling well and he was rushed to a hospital. So, but he had a minor stroke, also a high blood pressure yakhe beyikhuphuke kakhulu. That is the cause of the stroke, guys. And we know that now Musa Mseleku ugcoka ama-specs. That shows, that means his stroke has affected the eye. Now ishilo ukuthi kuqale ngokuzwa ezongathi ilihlo lakhe alifuna uvuleka nje. Isign yokuqala it was the eye. Hence mhlambe sakagcoka ama-specs. Guys, Umayeni, did you see Umayeni on diary into agcoke ibhuku? And we all know that uMusa Mseleku akamfuna umkhosikazi ugcoka amabhuku. So I think Umayeni kule point like njengosuMusa uthi, you know what, ngaphila ngaphandle kwakho, awusiyena uNkulunkulu wami and you will never be my God. Guys, uyamtshengisa nje ukuthi yazi kahle kahle mina angisakuthandi. Uyamtshengisa nje ukuthi uthando mina kuwe angisanalo. Umayeni said njengoba indoda yabo, like she literally said this, njengoba le indoda yabo seyigula bangacabanga ukuthi bangamlethi la kimi azonakekelwa kimi. That means Umayeni yena uthi njengoba uMusa Mseleku wagula and we know that uMusa Mseleku obvious noma ngabe angakhishwa esibhedlela maybe zabangabi strong and uzodinga ukuthi amakhosikazi wakhe abe there for yena and amnakekele, but Umayeni nje uthi kuleyo part no bamakhe absent. And a lot of people, guys, bebavumelana noMayeni. I must say Umayeni unama-fans amaningi. A lot of people love Umayeni, but Umayeni uye ngathi uneqiniso and it shows ukuthi Umayeni akafake. About one thing reality show, guys, just be yourself. We'll love you for who you are. Noma ungakhohlakala njani. Look at uMangabe doesn't talk much, and uMangabe a lot of things azikhuluma is wrong and a lot of the things azenzayo is wrong nje for unkosikazi oshadile, but people love her because uye akafuna ukuziportray as umuntu olungile or as umuntu nje uvela abe yilento ayiyo and abantu bamthandena lento le. So Umayeni ugcoka ibhuku. I just wanted to see nje in the next season or nje the next episode ukuthi uMusa Mseleku uzofila kanjani makezwe ukuthi Umayeni didn't want to contribute ukuthi uMusa abhadala ama-medical bills because bathi uMusa Mseleku decided to cancel i-medical aid yakhe. But mina, guys, I understand there's a lot of people saying uMusa Mseleku wayengana-medical aid. Medical aid is yi-need nje empilweni yomuntu. But guys, remember uMusa Mseleku kunamakhosikazi ayi-4 nengane eziyi-10. And uMusa Mseleku kuzo zonke le ngane eziyi-10 akanayo ingane ezothi le seyizimele iphumile ngakimi from kuSine. Mawubana nengane kaSine le ayinakekelayo uMusa le hlanu macele, that means ingane zaMusa ziyi-11. Ufake nabantwana bakaMpumelelo. Okay, lo munye wakaThirel uhlala kubo nalo mncane uNzulu uhlala kubo, but umhlophekazi uhlala nabo, that means 12 umhlophekazi. And i-medical aid, guys, ningabe yi-3 don't say boma-4. So obviously just kusho ukuthi uMusa Mseleku bakazospenda plus minus 15k for i-medical aid and bona bathi abagula. I think uMusa Mseleku kumele avule somewhere account whereby azobeka khona imali ayisaveayo. And we know that uMusa Mseleku is not like ukuthi imali akanayo, just that bokugula yena umnikazi wemali. That shows how important ukuthi emshadweni ube nemali yakho, ngoba if bonke labafazi bokwama-housewives and they didn't have nothing on their bank accounts, that means uMusa Mseleku bomele angazazi avuse kuthiwa vuka phela uvuli uchacha amaphini or whatever, you don't know. But again mina le ngiyi-understandile. And enye into engicabangela ukuthi ukusho ukuthi uma ngabe naye akanayo i-medical noMayeni, I think mhlambe lamakhosikazi wabo, especially Mangabe uMayeni, I think banawo ama-medical aid wabo whereby bafaka uMusa Mseleku because they are working and they are working basebenzela ugovernment and abantwana babo basesebancane. I don't think it's wise ukuthi unkosikazi umuntu onomntana omncane angabe ne-medical aid because umntana omncane uyagula nanoma kunini, yabo. Umntila sibon kaMayeni mncane ufunda ugrade 2 and Mangabe you know that unomntwana futhi onganampilo kahle. So it's so important for them to have medical aid. Maybe if you kuleyo nto leyo uthi, you know what, I'll open medical aid idonsele for mina emsebenzi mina nengane zami, then nawe uzohlala ke wena unganayo ezubabala endlini. Nami I for one, guys, I don't see the need of medical aid. Ungaguli nje, mina ingane yami na-11 ayikaze yagula, ngavele ngabona ukuthi le nto le ayinaso isidingo, uzawudonsela mali. And uma ucabanga lama-3 uvele ucabanga ukuthi imali erent leyo phela, imali ukuthi ubhadale irent, you understand? So bazala Mzitho, please comment down below about the behavior kaMayeni this season, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.